it's gonna process. Okay, good morning. I'm here with KBIs at Thunder Bay. I was gonna say Sarnia. Thunder Bay. We're in Thunder Bay at Allure Medi Spa, and a fabulous place here in Thunder Bay. And we have some other salon owners here too, coming for training. And so we're doing this morning henna eyebrow. And this is it's our class today, and we have our model. What's your name? Heather. Yes. Heather's getting her brows henna today. It's a fabulous new service that lasts longer, and yet longer than tinting, and yet it's non-invasive, whereas when you get microblading, it is more invasive to the skin. So let's say you don't want it so permanent, you can try different colors, you can try different shades, you can perfect your shape, you can change your shape, and it lasts from 2 to 4 weeks.
Is this the lovely kit?
Yes. So it has 8 different colors in it. So you can go from blonde, my brows are hennaed, let's just too bright in there. My brows are hennaed with the blonde shade. So that's this one here. And then we have golden brown. We did henna brow yesterday in Windsor's class on a lady with the golden brown, because she's kind of like platinum blonde now, but she has a dark tone, more of a golden reddish tone to her skin. And then on our model today, we're doing, let's see here, I think we're doing, which one?
Dark brown. Dark brown.
Yeah, dark brown.
To match her hair.
Yeah, very nice.
So, like, you think I'm good?
Yes,
Is it good?
very nice. Good. Yep, nice precision.
I'm just going to fix one more spot because it's not precise.
Oh, I'm going to turn this, sorry here. We're getting it too bright. It's a gorgeous day here. Trina, thanks to Trina and I are having lots of fun eating out, and she's has Bliss Aesthetic Studio, does lashes and nails, and she's one of my met her through my online courses. Now we're here in person. Yeah, let's see, is anybody watching? We got 2 people watching. Who's watching?
On her live feed. Oh, hey.
Yeah, let's see. Usually I can see.
This is Sarah, and Sarah owns Miles and May on Miles and May Salon.
Wow, yeah. A lot of great salons here.
Okay. Sarah's done, I think. Do you approve?
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah?
Yes.
Now I gotta match that up.
Well, you just follow in there, right? Because we already measured them. And
Yeah. You can do it. And let's put, do you have a phone you can put a timer on? Let's put it on for 15 minutes.
So we'll wipe mine off first, obviously.
Yes, yep. So we'll put the timer on for 15 minutes. And now Trina is going to, let's see here. Trina's going to do her brow. So we use the ruler.
Mine's in the front of my purse if you want.
Yeah, we already used the brow ruler, and we kind of checked to make her brows even more perfect. Nice shape on her brows. But we just balanced them out a little bit. This is a really handy tool. Hey, Melina. Hi. Good to see you. How are you doing?
It's a little hard to get under it.
It is hard. So you kind of.
We need really even smaller brushes, I think.
Yeah, you know what I would use is the disposable eyeliner brushes, but make sure that they're the stiff ones. But I'll send you the text, the link on where to get them and which kind, because we used them the other day and they were perfect. Not the thin eyeliner, they're kind of like come to a white point. They're kind of like waxed, and it got in really good.
11:37 will be 15 minutes for mine.
Okay, perfect.
And then once she's done that, we'll, I don't know how to use timers on her phone.
So let's see here. Is it showing up there? Oh, it's kind of dark when I do this way, huh? I gotta
Something happened.
continue. Yeah, my phone. There, we're back. I'll come this side. Or you know what? I'll change the screen again. Hold on with me, Facebook. Okay. There we go. Now I can see.
So if we make mistakes, is there anything we can like take this off with?
Well, do it right away. Stain remover with your tinting
Alcohol?
kit. Yeah, maybe alcohol. Just do it right away.
You think it's okay?
Yes, no, it's
Okay.
perfect.
I hope so.
It looks good. Yeah. The Vaseline even. The Vaseline seems to.
use that.
Yeah, I find I get scared to put it on too much. Like maybe around their skin before we clean it off.
Okay.
We will put Vaseline on so that it doesn't smear all over her skin. But to put it on now, if you get it too close in the hairs, it's going to
Ruin
not
the
tint. It's going to
effect,
ruin
yeah.
the effect. Yeah, because look at how clean and cut a look that we get. Yeah. So before we cleanse, let's put on the Vaseline. And there is tint remover with the Reflectosil. It has like a tint remover if you got it on their skin. Maybe alcohol would work, but just Vaseline even will take it off right away because it
I
doesn't.
love how like it works like that. So with tint, I find it already stains the skin. Like it doesn't last as long.
Right.
But when you're wiping
It all, yeah, this comes right off right away.
quickly,
Yes,
yeah, as long as
comes
you're
off.
quick, right?
Yes.
I was gonna say right there too that
Yep.
perfect.
Yep. So you built up this side more because that one was perfect, and this one just she has some
This
gaps.
one needs to be just a little higher right there.
Yep.
Yeah, if I'm
Look.
looking like this.
If you look straight on. Yep.
Agree?
So
Yeah, I
perfect.
agreed. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just like that, yeah.
Yeah, so that's a really great advantage. A benefit is that it doesn't color the skin immediately, whereas tint is just like there,
Yeah.
like dye.
It doesn't last as long though, which is
No,
weird.
it comes off, but it like instantly makes a whole bunch of color on the skin, whereas here we
Yeah.
can still perfect it. Yeah, nice.
Beauty. It's like that one goes longer too on that side now.
Yeah, that
Matches
really
up.
looked nice.
I think they're even. Oh my
I
God.
see one
What
little-
happened here? No, I'm just kidding.
I think you could go with the. Oh wait, maybe not. I was gonna say just a tiny bit with the right there.
Just to make
But
it a
maybe
little bit
not.
narrower.
I don't know.
Let's look straight on.
Can you look up for a little bit for a second?
Just put your head. Oh, put your head straight. Down.
Yeah.
Okay, there. That's it. Well, it is a little.
Like a smidge.
Actually,
There's mine.
it's actually kind of more rounded here, and this one's more straight.
Squared.
Squared. So,
That what it is?
which way do you want? Squared, I think.
Yeah, squared.
Let's square it out.
Hers
Yep.
has been sitting on there.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna go with mine.
We can always, on a second coat, though, fix.
You put your head back if you want.
Yeah.
Do you want to phone it?
Well, no, it's on vibrate, but I definitely didn't put it anywhere but right here.
I saw it because it's blue or something. Did you put it in your?
Yeah, I just wanted to see if that girl got back to me. Whatever. She comes, she doesn't.
Is it over there?
No, there, go over there.
We're on it this morning.
That's right beside me.
That's
You check yourself for mine. Is it on vibrate or silent?
Ah, it's hidden. So let's look at how nice it is getting sunnier.
Put 15 on my phone, right?
Yes, 15 minutes on your phone. So Allure, we're at Allure Medi Spa. They do all sorts of fabulous skin treatments,
That's my favorite one.
medical aesthetics. It's beautiful in here. Erica, thank you so much for having us here. An aesthetic, Bliss Aesthetic Studio.
So you said with my youngest son, I'm like, okay, I hope he is well soon. Because you never know, it could be true, but
Most of the time it's not.
Because you would have messaged me a little sooner. Yeah.
That's the most famous one. I
Yeah.
have a family.
And it's the
emergency.
girl that I don't know. I knew that was going to happen.
Well, thank you for letting me do one side.
Yes, very, very good.
Well, I mean, we tint, so we
Yeah.
just need to.
Yeah, just need to know the process, and this lasts longer because it tints the skin too. If you just need hairs colored in, tinting is good, and maybe tinting lasts longer. We're gonna check
Yeah,
and give
for the
reports for the hair on how
Maybe.
the henna, which is really lasts
Yeah.
longer. They
Tinting
say
on mine, I just did it I did on Monday, and it's pretty much gone.
Yeah. Mine was.
I did mine yesterday,
barely.
2 months ago.
Wow.
My eyelashes are like white
Oh, yeah,
blonde.
and like,
Okay,
eyebrows
that's
are
what mine are.
yeah.
Yeah. But see, my problem is I don't have hardly any hairs. So when I do my brows, but this is my henna brows. We're done like this week at the class.
Nice.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
Because normally I have to use gel and then I have to make sure I'm perfect. Then I look and check
Yeah.
a few times.
So I said 11:37, so we still got some time. Do you want to pop
There's
outside?
Gord. No problem. Yeah. Hey, Gord. How are you? I made it to Thunder Bay. Look at it. We're having a great time here. Did volume lashing class last night, and they turned out really good. Yeah, great student. She's been practicing doing Just Learn Classic, though.
Oh, nice.
Don't know if you know her. Do you know her too?
Who?
Another Sarah.
No, I'm the only Sarah.
Evoke Salon. Yeah. I can take you on a little tour. Let's see here. I love the way that this is set up. We have this nice glass table we're working on, teaching. And then we've got the waiting area. And then here is going to be the Bliss Aesthetic Studio and eyelashes, and Trina does nails as well. She started with KBI with our online nail tech class, and then does the whole aesthetics and her lashing. Yeah, it's really pretty. So, hey, Samira, how are you doing today? Some of the girls are finding us. This is Trina. She's my host here in beautiful Thunder Bay, and we're doing the henna brow. Samira just took henna brow this week too, so she just started at KBI. So keep on practicing. We'll do some more this week. Yeah, so we're almost ready to take this off. Let's see. And then this afternoon, we're going to set up and do nails. So that'll be fun. My suitcase will be empty then. I can get rid of it now. Yeah, fly back, it won't be so bad. So, let's see. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes and let you see the after. And I'll take a picture, okay? Talk to you later, Samira.